All right, Meghna Dev is joining us from Ahmedabad in Gujarat. 9.87% voter turnout has been recorded till 9 a.m. Meghna, good morning. We saw Prime Minister today exercise his franchise. He cast his vote in Ahmedabad. Also, we saw Union Home Minister Amit Shah cast his vote. You're there in Ahmedabad. Let us get more from you. How are you gauging the voter turnout so far? We tell our viewers has been good. Let us get more from you on the latest on the voter turnout, and also explain to us the contest this time around, even though we know that one seat of Surat has been won by BJP unopposed. But then when we talk of the rest of the seats in Gujarat, how is the contest poised?
Well, first of all, I'll keep you with the visuals where we can see that people are in large numbers are definitely turning up in the morning. We have been seeing people since 7 a.m. in the morning who have turned out to vote. We see, people from all age groups especially, but what we definitely see here is that senior citizens are preferring to come early in the morning because it's relatively less hot, less warmer, because in the afternoon the temperature obviously rises a lot, and it's really warm here in Gujarat, especially in the region of Ahmedabad, or we talk about Saurashtra. So these places definitely have a lot of, the temperature is really high. But having said that, very importantly, what we definitely see is that the youngsters are also very enthusiastic about casting their vote. We had been speaking to a few people who were here already, and they have been saying that, they will be posting their selfies and pictures of their inked finger on social media, and obviously use all the hashtags that are trending today on the phase 3 polls. Besides, as we saw in the morning, the trends of voter turnout. Preeti, this is something which is getting repeated once again. We have been seeing that the areas of South Gujarat and the tribal areas and semi-urban areas in Gujarat are recording a little more voter turnout compared to the urban areas like Ahmedabad, where I am currently situated. So we earlier also we have been seeing that the areas like Valsad, Bharuch, Chota Udaipur in Gujarat definitely record a higher voter turnout, around 75% or so, and the 60 to 62%, 63% voter turnout in urban areas like Ahmedabad. So this time around also the trends, similar initial trends of voter turnout we can see, but definitely it is time for the urban voters to catch up here in Gujarat and come out of their houses to vote. While we also were speaking, you asked me about the contest in Gujarat. Well, we definitely know it has been a stronghold of the BJP, but having said that, there are a few places which have been strongholds of the Congress, but the past couple of times they did not manage to win those seats. This time around we are seeing a good contest in Banaskantha in the north of Gujarat. Then we definitely also see a good contest in Valsad. There is a contest in Bharuch as well, where India Alliance has fielded a candidate against the BJP candidate. While these places there are obviously big names like the BJP senior leader and Home Minister Amit Shah is contesting. We also have previous Gujarat Congress President Amit Chavra from the Anand seat. He is contesting. We have Purushottam Rupala from Rajkot, as well as Mansukh Mandavia from Porbandar. These places are seeing a good contest, and obviously Congress is trying to make inroads and garner as much support as possible. But definitely today is an examination day for all the candidates, and the voters will decide their fate. While we will definitely be expecting that when we talk later in the day, we will see this voter turnout in the urban areas also cope up as much as the voter turnout is there in the semi-urban areas.
All right, Meghna, from here I will bring in our correspondent Yogesh Sheetal, who is joining us from Baramati in Maharashtra.